If you've been wondering how to add pages in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can organize your survey more cleanly, improve the flow of your questions, and make your survey easier for respondents to complete. Whether you're building a simple feedback form or a longer survey with multiple sections, adding pages can help you separate topics and keep everything structured. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your survey to open it. This is the survey you want to edit, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After the survey opens, scroll down until you find the option to add a new page. In SurveyMonkey, pages are used to break your survey into sections, which makes it easier to organize questions and control the respondent experience. Click on New Page to create a fresh section. Once the new page is added, you'll see the option to add content. Click Add Content to start building that page. From here, you can choose what kind of content you want to include. If you want to add a standard survey item, click Question. If you want to include written instructions, headings, or extra explanation, click Text. And if you already have a list of questions prepared, you can use the copy and paste questions option to speed things up. This is especially useful if you're transferring content from a document or building a survey with repeated formats. After selecting the content type you want, enter your question or text and continue adding more items as needed. You can repeat this process to create multiple pages throughout your survey, which is helpful for breaking longer surveys into smaller, more manageable sections. Take a moment to review the page layout and make sure the questions are arranged in the order you want. The goal here is to make the survey simple to follow while keeping each section focused on a specific topic. Once you've added your pages and content, you can preview the survey to see how it will look to respondents. This is a great way to check spacing, flow, and whether each page is doing what you want it to do. And that's it. You've now learned how to add pages in SurveyMonkey and use them to build a more organized survey. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.